Our hands come from around the globe to shape the future of American energy. They're accelerating innovation in nuclear energy, delivering safer, reliable power for tomorrow. They're producing life-saving isotopes that treat cancer and enable deep space missions, supporting both national security and space exploration. They're harnessing the power of AI and world-leading supercomputers to unlock scientific discovery at an unprecedented speed. They're building quantum systems that will redefine what's possible in science, energy, and security. They're exploring materials at the nanoscale, manipulating individual atoms to advance new fuels and energy technologies. They're manufacturing breakthroughs that empower American industries, enhance efficiency, and strengthen our economy. They're developing science-based security solutions to safeguard critical infrastructure and address emerging threats. At Oak Ridge National Laboratory, our hands are united in delivering the discoveries and breakthroughs that power America's future. Big science, big impact.